Hi guys, Shorty here, and today we will be covering our eyebrows. Now this is used for different makeup looks, like if you want to restructure your face and do looks that does not involve this eyebrow shape, and a lot of drag queens use it, people who do different makeup looks, and therefore I wanted to try it today as a beginner. And let's get right into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now the things you would need for this video is a glue stick. I don't know if y'all could see a glue stick, setting powder. The setting powder I'll be using today is from SASHA, the Buttercup setting powder, a brush, a concealer, yeah, right, this eyebrow brush or this one, and a beauty blender, and possibly foundation. Right, let me get my foundation and foundation. Right, so we're going right into it. So the first thing, hold on, I don't know if y'all can see me. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get your glue stick and you want to rub it all over your eyebrow. Make sure you get every eyebrow here, everyone, and you're doing this on the next eyebrow too. Great. And then you want to get this brush and you want to brush all the hairs up so it can lay flat. Y'all seeing that? Perfection right there. Can't touch we. Perfection. Watch that. So you're laying it flat. Straight up, because if you lay it this way, then it will just lie down on each other, and that's not what we want it flat, so you can make those eyebrows disappear, you know. Magic. Next, what we want to do is we want to take a fan or anything and just fan it till it's dry. Now I tend to repeat this step of going in with the glue until I'm satisfied. Now I do this for at least three times just to make sure that my eyebrows are slicked down. You could do it how many ever times. It depends on the thickness of your eyebrows. So if your eyebrows are thin, you don't have much hairs, it's gonna take you at least three times. But if it's thick, you need to do it a good bit of times. But let's get right into the next step. Where we use the, what is this? The satin powder, the SASHA satin powder, and you're taking this brush, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna set our eyebrows because we wanna keep it on our face. I mean, we wanna remove it off our face. So we satin our eyebrows. So you're just taking a dab, dust, because we wanna get that excess off of the brush. We don't want all of that on our face. So you just pat it. Loving it. I don't know if y'all can see what is going on. Look at that. Pat it again, take off the excess. Yes. Next eyebrow. A little pat, get the excess off. Like pressing it, kind of like you're pressing it in, like you're tapping it in. I like to close my eyes and just feel that brush. Just pat. Look at that. Loving it. Right, so for the next step, what we want to do is we want to get the concealer. Want to squeeze out some concealer, and we just placing it on our eyes because we want to block out those eyebrows, because we were born without eyebrows. That's the illusion we're going for. And we're just blocking, continuing all the way down. Now you could do it with your fingers like this, You can put this on with your fingers, or you could use a brush, but I like to apply it like this because it's better for me. Gonna do the next eyebrow now. So right now that we have done the 2 eyebrows, now that we have done the 2 eyebrows, I just going down here to do my eyes because I like how it blends in. So we just blending in the concealer onto our eyes. I want y'all to better see that, right? And then moving up, upwards, 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 upwards. Right. Now you're just patting it in with your beauty blender. Pat it in, pat it in. I don't know if y'all could see it, but it's coming together. Do y'all see me with no eyebrows? Come to the no eyebrows. Yes, we love it. We love it. Now we're doing the next side. Pat, pat, pat. Pat your worries away. That's okay. Gorgeous. To the god. Oh my gosh. Love it. So what we want to do is we want to go back into that setting powder because we want to set this concealer on our face. Now I'm no professional beauty guru, so I do things that work for me. If this does not work for you, that's not my fault, but this works for me, and we set in that again. Boom, 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 boom. Now don't forget to tap, put it in, tap off the excess, and then to the gods, honey, to the gods. Right. So watch. Tap, shake, shake, get that excess off, and we then go in and again, and we just set in our whole eye area with the eyebrows and everything, so it looks natural, like we never had the eyebrows in the first place. Yes. Ooh, I can't even like. Ooh. Yes. Now I'm seeing a bit of my eyebrows here. So next time I know that I need to go in more with the glue. Ugh. But anyways, loving it. And we just brushing that out so it look more blended. Something got in my, anyways. Beauty is pain. Right, love it. Now what I want to go in, because what I have here is my forehead looks a little bit lighter, so we want to go in with our what is called this again? Foundation. Going in with our foundation. And what we just want to do right here, that's our foundation. We just want to take this beauty blender, tap it, tap over, boom. Watch that. Watch that. Can't touch you, you know. And we're just tapping it over so it'll look more like the rest of our face. Even though I'm not doing foundation on my whole face, but I want to blend in a little bit more. So hey guys, as you can see, I'm done with my look. All my eyebrows are gone, and I hope that this helped you in covering your eyebrows for your look that you may want to do. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified on every time I post. And bye.